Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video, we have the 168th flyover of the Lucid factory in Casa Grande, Arizona. Before we get into it, I just want to apologize to everybody for not being around. It's just something where I have to make money to pay bills, and YouTube doesn't do it, doesn't come close. So we have to have real jobs, and our Toro business has really taken off. We are up to 46 cars of every variety you can imagine, and it keeps us extremely busy. This is also a very busy season for Arizona for tourists. It's the springtime. It's not too cold. It's not too hot. It's just kind of like Goldilocks. It's perfect. Just right in the middle. So with that being said, I hope you understand. You guys have questions about Toro? I think I know more about that now than I do on Lucid and Nikola. So let's get into the video. So Lucid today had at least 6 car haulers. Looked like most of them were solid roof cars that were on there. 2 were loaded, 3 were waiting, and 1 drove past us as we got there. And fully loaded, they each were carrying 7 cars each. So you can do the math, 7 times 6, 42 cars, and that's just what we saw while we were there. The construction on Thornton Road is getting real close to being done. They're still working on the intersections, but it's starting to look really nice, at least the parts that we can see. Well, we can see it all, at least the parts that are done, I should say. The body and white building still has some walls and roof work to be completed, but there's been a lot of progress. The paint tunnels also have a lot of work that's been completed, and it almost looks sealed off. It's not quite, but it almost looks like it. The stamping building walls are, I'm going to say 99.2% complete. They just have a few panels left. And the work in progress building also needs some walls put up because we didn't see any on that one. The east parking lot for the new Lucids, while still very full, has a lot of empty spots from where they've been removing cars. On Lucid's website for their inventory page, they currently only have 4 different cars shown, and they are listed by color and wheel type. So they only have 4 of them there, which is interesting because that would say that there's only 4 cars, period, unless they have the exact same car, maybe 10 of them. That's always possible. Previously, we've seen up to 16 cars on there, but that's what's sitting up there and ready to buy. I took a look. I thought maybe there'd be a Lucid Air Pure, and maybe I could skip the line because maybe they're offering a discount, and that would be worth it for me. But alas, there was no Pure. There was Grand Touring and Air Tourings. So those are still up there. If you want one now, that's where you go. But it does look like a good sign, being that there's not as many cars up there. Also, in the construction area, the concrete outside the dock has expanded quite a bit. Overall, a very active site with a lot of things going on. So it's good to see there's still a lot of progress, a lot of effort being put into this. So if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see more content like this in the future. And you can follow us on Twitter at Bear's Workshop. And thanks to all of our patrons for your support. We do appreciate you guys. Now, let's go fly.